After a month in space and 50 bags of popcorn, we finally got Hal 10,000 in our sights.
It's good to finally meet you, Blaster and Pistol. I'm afraid, however, I cannot let you destroy me. You see, I am on the cusp of accomplishing my mission. Destroying the world. So, enjoy a taste of my armaments.
Evasive maneuvers! Nice work, Pistol. We're in the clear.
I think I got a lock on him.
Open fire, Pistol!
Just what do you think you're doing?
Too legit,